Oh, yeah. So these guys are out here. Let me stretch that thing out. Here's my foot. I have a size 12 shoe. So you kind of get an idea how big these doggies are. Good Lord, that's a big fucker. All right, so we just got here to Padang Padang, and there's a bat cave behind me. So yeah, so far so good. We got a 5-foot long venomous sea snake, and now we got a cave full of bats. All right, well, enough fooling around. Let's get this thing going. Oh, poof. Oh, popping out. Just a little rain. What is that? What do they call that? Is that Hujan? That's Hujan. She makes us all our coffee every morning. She's very hard worker.
Is that our waitress?
She's our waitress. We're going down that trail. It's just me, my camera. There's nobody around. It rained like 3 or 4 hours and it poured. So this road is freaking slippery. Oh shit. Well, we found the spot. It took a couple of tries, sent down some dirt roads that didn't go anywhere. I came from somewhere over here, and look at this. It just opens up. There's this little opening here in the cliff, and I got a perfect vantage point. Yeah! We got a couple of good ways out here. Not really a whole lot happening right now. The tide dropped a lot, so the place kind of turns off. This is more of like a mid-tide kind of spot. So back on the scooter, back on the sketchy dirt road, and I'll see you at the next stop. I'm going to try to check out Uluwatu here in a little bit. Oh, got one. How about another one? Another one, come on. Yeah, he could still be in it. No, just kidding. He's back here. Damn. Oh, and another one running down the speed.
I'm happy about this stream, but
yeah. Yeah. You're doing so good. You're almost there.
I was like, where is it?
I'm gonna try to come for 3 months, like make 1 month tripping around.
Oh God.
She catch her weight.
Oh, that sucks. That's a nice board.